So in order to get started, again, if like this font I have here, it's only in capitals, then I am going to keep my little box here from a font just as it is. If I want to go between lowercase and uppercase, if the font that you have selected has that option, what you can do is you can divide your box into two. What I would recommend is that you use a dotted or a broken line. So I am just going to do a very light line so I'm able to see my capital letters, where they will go up to, and where my lowercase letters are going to be. All right, so for example, if I had an A in here, I might want a lowercase s, etc. And then obviously you can work with your font. So one way in which you can kind of break your fonts down, obviously you can freehand draw it from what you see. I am going to zoom in to this one here. And the first thing I like to do is just draw out my letter, just freehand, just normally. So I am going to draw an A. Again, this is going to help you with your scale. So I've started with an A. Then from there, I can actually start to sketch out the design. Now, obviously you are going to spend a lot more time on this than I am here, but it's just so you get the idea. So again, very, very light, sketching out in pencil first. And I have my A, and then I can move on. So again, I would recommend that you sketch out your letter first. And it might be, as you can see, the font that I've started sketching here is a little bit bigger. So if you perhaps don't get all the way up to your 8 letters, that is fine. What we want to make sure is that we're taking up as much of this space as possible. So again, started sketching out my S, and then going to go in and start to refine that a little bit more. So you can see lots and lots of light strokes here. Again, this is my initial shape. I might go back and refine it slightly. But you get the idea. So again, you can fill this with your letters. It can be a little bit closer together. So please take your time, be really creative. Again, you can look to various different sites, but for me, this one, it's a font here, is a really, really good one. And again, it breaks it down into those different categories for you to have a little look at. So please feel free, have a little look, see what you think. And if you have any questions, then please don't hesitate to ask.